Hands-free parking function can identify a parking space, park or exit a parking space, without you using the steering wheel, brakes or gears. The feature uses data from the ultrasonic sensors at the front and rear of the vehicle. To help you maneuver, when you switch on hands-free parking, the parking aid is activated and, on vehicles equipped with it, the reversing camera. To turn this feature on, go to the Vehicle section in the Open our Link Center screen and select Hands-Free Park Assist. Depending on your personal settings, you can also turn this feature on with the Favorites button on the steering wheel, or by selecting the widget on the home screen of the multimedia system. You can choose one of 3 types of maneuver: parallel park, perpendicular park, and exit parallel park. For perpendicular and parallel parking, at less than 18.6 miles per hour 30 kilometers per hour, the system will search for an available bay or parallel parking space on either side of the vehicle. When a space is detected, it is displayed on the center screen with the letter P. Drive slowly until the stop message appears, accompanied by an audible signal. The parking space turns green on the center screen. Stop the vehicle, shift into reverse. This light will appear on the instrument panel, accompanied by an audible signal to indicate the start of the maneuver. You should now let go of the steering wheel and follow the instructions on the screen. All you need to do is switch between forward and reverse gears using the gear lever and the pedals. Your speed must not exceed 4 miles per hour 7 kilometers per hour. When the maneuver is completed, the indicator light goes off, accompanied by an audible signal. To exit a parallel parking bay, turn the feature on. Select the appropriate graphic on the screen and operate the indicator light on the side you want the vehicle to exit. When the function is ready, a message appears on the multimedia screen. Press OK to start. This light will appear on the instrument panel, accompanied by an audible signal to indicate the start of the maneuver. You should then let go of the steering wheel and follow the instructions on the screen. Once the vehicle has exited the parking space, the system displays the maneuver complete message on the multimedia screen, and the indicator light on the instrument panel goes out, accompanied by an audible signal. The maneuver is paused when you're taking the wheel, when your vehicle has been stationary for too long, when an obstacle prevents you from completing the maneuver, or when you open a door. The reason for the interruption will be displayed on your multimedia screen. Make sure the conditions are right again to resume the maneuver. As soon as the indicator light flashes on the dashboard, the system is ready to continue maneuvering. The maneuver is cancelled when your speed exceeds 4 miles per hour, 7 kilometers per hour, or when the vehicle has performed more than 10 forward-reverse maneuvers. The indicator light on the instrument panel goes out, and there is an audible signal. Bear in mind that this feature is an additional aid that cannot be a substitute for your vigilance as a driver. Always check visually to confirm that the parking space suggested by the system is available and free of obstacles.